The dancing leaves of unity, promoting the value of unity, empathy, and understanding in fostering harmonious relationships and a sense of interconnectedness among individuals. Little Lily and her grandfather Samuel were walking in the park on a beautiful autumn day. The leaves were changing color and falling from the trees, and the breeze was blowing them around in a playful dance. Lily stopped to watch the leaves. "They're so beautiful," she said, "and they're all dancing together. It's like they're all connected." "They are connected," Samuel said. "They're all part of the same tree, and just like the leaves on a tree, we are all connected too. We're all part of the same human family." Lily thought about this for a moment. "But why do people sometimes seem so disconnected from each other?" she asked. "Sometimes we forget that we are all connected," Grandfather Samuel said. "We get caught up in our own problems and forget about the people around us. But when we remember that we are all part of the same family, we can start to connect with each other again." "How do we do that?" Lily asked. "We can start by practicing compassion and understanding," Samuel said. "When we see someone who's suffering, we can try to understand why they are suffering and how we can help them. And when we understand each other, we can start to connect with each other on a deeper level." Lily smiled. "I think I can do that," she said. "I know you can," Samuel said. "And when you do, you will be helping to create a more unified and harmonious world." Lily and Samuel continued walking through the park, and Lily thought about what her grandfather had said. She knew that she could make a difference in the world by practicing compassion and understanding, and she was determined to do just that. Lily learned that by recognizing our shared humanity and practicing empathy, we can foster unity and harmony among all people. Thank you for watching. If you admire what you see, please consider subscribing. It's free for you, but help us a lot to run this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.